Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, it's your girl Bree back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Brianna, BB, Bree, whatever you want to call me. Make sure to subscribe before we get on with the video. Do not miss out on my other videos coming soon. Make sure to hit the little notification bell down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. So I'm doing a little Pixi PR box unboxing. This is what they shipped it in. Super cute. I love Pixi. Pixi's one of my favorite brands, and they always send their PR people packages every month. So when you take it out of the box, it looks like this. I'm guessing like a vitamin kind of theme because it's a vitamin C daily dose of brightening 5 power pack skincare treats for all skin types. So it looks like a vitamin container, and then you open it up and the packaging is so cute. And look at what it says right here. Like, they literally made it look like they're vitamins. They're so cute. And of course, they're cruelty free, all of that. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first thing that's inside is this vitamin C lotion, which I'm really excited to use. Anything vitamin C is going to be really good for your skin, especially me because I have like acne scars and whatnot. So this will really help with like all the collagen and all that. Look at her being a skincare expert. Yes, I used to work at Sephora and I work at MAC, so I need to know about skincare. Even though my skin is not good, that's just because who knows. But anyways, so this one you could use daily. It's just like a moisturizer, I'm guessing. Then we have the vitamin C serum. So this one's really nice. I've actually tried this out before, but I never stayed really consistent with it. But I'm gonna try all of these out and be consistent with them and see if it works. You know, like Pixi's really good with skincare. So the next thing that we have is this. So this is the vitamin C caviar balm. I think this is a mask, so you could just leave it on and it brightens up your skin. It's real cute. And then we have this. So this is the vitamin C juice cleanser. I've never heard of this one. I think it's like a micellar water kind of thing. So super excited for this. And then the last thing that we have in our little vitamin jar is this one right here. This is a vitamin C tonic, which I tried out today and I loved it. I tried a different bottle when that they had sent me before, just because I had this box for a while, but I just haven't recorded anything, so that's why I haven't done it. But if you guys like these videos, let me know, because they send me really cute packages. Like, let me just show y'all a couple of them real quick because they're really cute. But yeah, I tried this out in the morning and it was really good. I love the original glow tonic. And yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored. Just because they send me stuff doesn't mean that I'm gonna say it's good if it's not good, because I love Pixi. Like, I'm literally so blessed to be on their PR because they are so bomb. If you guys haven't tried them out, you definitely need to. And I even buy it with my own money. Like, that's how I found out about them, is when I would go to Target and I would see Pixi right there and I was like, let me try this toner, because I forgot who liked it. Someone that I liked it. Let me show you guys the other packages real quick. Hold on. I literally have so many packages from them. I got one right here too. Then I got one right here. I got some right here. This one is my favorite. And then it says my name. They're literally so cute. That's why I love them. And then all of this corner is literally all Pixi PR packages. Let me show you guys this one. So they get really creative with their packages. Let me know if you guys want to see a video every time they send me one, because they're really cute. So that's pretty much it for my little Pixi PR box unboxing. If you guys like this video, do not forget to subscribe down below. Let me know if you guys want to see the other videos or not. Just comment down below yes or no. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.